Good morning, students. Today is 22 April and it is known as Earth Day. स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द डे 22 अप्रैल 2016 में पृथ्वी दिवस पर 120 देशों से भी अधिक देशों ने पेरिस जलवायु संधि पर हस्ताक्षर किए और इनका मुख्य लक्ष्य था वैश्विक तापमान को सदी के आखिर तक 2 डिग्री कम करना। नंबर 2, 22 अप्रैल 1915 में प्रथम विश्व युद्ध के दौरान जर्मनी की सेना ने बेल्जियम में जहरीली गैस का इस्तेमाल किया। मित्र देशों के सैनिकों पर 150 टन गैस से अधिक घातक कैलोरीन गैस छोड़ी गई। इसे येप्रेस की दूसरी लड़ाई के नाम से जाना जाता है, जिसमें फ्रांसीसी सैनिकों के साथ जर्मन सैनिक भी मारे गए। नंबर 3, 22 अप्रैल 1914 को निर्माता निर्देशक बलदेव राज चोपड़ा BR चोपड़ा का जन्म पंजाब के लुधियाना के पास राहोन में हुआ। 1988 में छोटे पर्दे पर महाभारत लेकर आए, जो आज भी बेहद लोकप्रिय है। इनको दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड, पद्म भूषण, फिल्म फेयर लाइफ अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। 5 नवंबर 2008 को मुंबई में इनका निधन हो गया। इन्होंने सामाजिक बदलाव लाने के लिए कुछ फिल्में भी बनाई, जैसी नया दौर, साधना, कानून, आवाम, गुमराह, हमराज। Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home during this outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Remaining at home only and only is the solution. Keep social distancing, drink and eat healthy eatables after washing them properly. Do study regularly and comfortably. Remain at home and do your work comfortably and smoothly. From today, we will start our second supplementary book, Vistas. Go through proper reading and write hard words with the meaning from dictionary. Do your old written work in a single fair register or thick notebook in neat and clean calligraphy. Thank you. Yes, third level. Our first chapter is third level, written by Jack Finney. Introduction. This story is blend of fiction and reality. It also expresses man's desire to escape from the hard realities of life. Charlie is the central character. One day, by chance, he slips into the past. There is only 2 levels at Grand Central Station. But one day, Charlie finds the third one. And this one is the very name of our chapter also, the third level. It means the Grand Central Station has only 2 levels, but by chance, by the mistake of his mind, he slips into the past. It means he went into the third level. He goes to the station in order to catch the train and reach the platform. On the platform, he forgets his way. He enters a corridor which is slanting down towards. He goes on walking and reaches the third level. How we know that he is on third level? Everything was old-fashioned. It means he saw things which are not related to the present time. They are old-fashioned. He realized that he has reached in the world of 19th century and now it is going 21st century. Then he comes back to in the present. He tries to find the third level again, but he never finds it. His psychiatrist friend Sam does his help and listens him carefully. But one day the psychiatrist friend also finds the third level and reaches into the world of 1894. How we know that Sam found the third level? Because Sam bought $800 worth of old currency, because in 19th century currency was different from the present. He wants to escape from his current profession. Charlie hopes that Sam will be happily settled in Galesburg in the brain business, because he is not satisfied with his present business. So Sam also wants to go away from the third level, go away into the third level. Now, this is the story. It means when we consider something in our mind, some process is going in our mind, it means we consider it true. But reality is something else. So, the same happens with the Charlie, and he deceived himself and saying that he found the third level. This is the main story. Word meanings of the chapter. Sphere, take an oath. Stack, heap, ढेर, obvious, clear, subway, underground passage, 10, brown, fancy, ornamental, band, strip, first day cover, envelope of new issued stamp posted on the first day, hay, straw, duct, bent down, booth, stall or counter, glint, unsteady, light, unsteady light, tiny, small, roar, loud noise, vest pocket, a short pocket near the chest, glimpse, casual look, lead story, main story, quality, silently, figured, calculated, skin me, deceive me. Here one word is given wrong. Vest pocket, a short point is not, it is wrong mentioned. A short pocket near the chest. Thanks. Our chapter will be continued in next video. Thank you.